So, you want to make some rust effect on your army or some piece of terrain? Come with me, my friend, and I'll show you how to achieve this with little effort and great results. First of all, we are going to base coat with a metallic paint like this one. I'll apply a thick coat on the weapons or armor. Metallic paint's special paint made with micrometallic particles that emulates the real metallic look. When working with this paint, make sure to use a different brush and a water pot because these particles tend to go everywhere and can cross-contaminate your regular paints. I then use this liquid pigment from GSW Wool that makes an amazing effect on rusting metals. But you can use a bright orange very diluted as well. This liquid pigment has a very matte finish and a dusty look. Now, to make things more random, I use this weathering stick from GSW Wool. But you can use any dead brush with short hair or just a little piece of sponge. I add a second layer to create a sense of depth. I'm thinking like the rust is being building up from many years and different weather hazards. Now, to bring back a bit of the metal, we dry brush with the metallic base coat. That will be the places on the use of the weapon has been more severe. And for the highlights, I use a very silver metallic paint. I still use this very old paint from Citadel, but there are many others in the market like this. We need to give some final definition to the metal, and this step has to be mostly on the edges. We don't want to make perfect lines here. We are going more for little dots and some random lines that show the maximum reflection from the damage of the weapons and armor.
It's the little things, Jimmy.
I hope you had learned something new. Let me know in the comments below, and if you have any questions, I will be glad to give my feedback. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Your support means a lot to me and it helps me to keep posting new content. If you like, you can follow me on my social media and have a follow-up on my work. Thanks very much for your time and see you soon.